Hi folks, it's Lauren from Snowy's here with the Hard Korr high-powered rock lights.
Hit it.
A perfect addition for your four-wheel driving nighttime off-road adventures, easy mounting with a super bright white LED output. So these rock lights are designed to be attached under your vehicle for four-wheel driving. You have about a 1.5 meter string from end to end, and on that string you have 8 individual modules with 3 LED lights per module. So you've got a total of 24 LED lights here. Now the lights, all of it, including the cable, weighs about 100 grams, and you mount them either via these little screw points here, or you've got 3M mounting strips on the back. So in order to do that, I'm not going to break these ones up, but to separate them, you just cut through the 3M strip at the back, and then you can mount it to your vehicle in any way that you like. The lights are also waterproof IP68, which means that they are fully submergible to a depth of up to 1 meter, so perfect for four-wheel driving. So whilst these are totally okay for off-roading, the legislation for having these on your vehicle when you are driving on the road vary from state to state, so make sure you check them out before you cruise around with your lights on. Now the actual lights themselves also connect through this standard DC connector here, and there's one of these female adapters on either end. Now the total lumens of the rock lights are 1040, and they're very, very bright. So I've got it connected to this power pack here, and I'm just going to tilt the lights off screen a little bit here so you show you the brightness and I don't blind you all at home, so just bear with me. So as you can see, the lights are pretty bright. Each of the little individual modules here puts out 130 lumens. In total, this string of lights will draw 0.8 of an amp, so it's a pretty negligible amp there. The Kelvin rating of these lights is 6,000, so it's pretty much bang on, just like a straight up white light. And they're also guaranteed to run for 50,000 hours, so it's got a pretty good lifetime on them as well. Now these are modular in the sense that if you know what you're doing, you can sort of cut them at any point to shorten it if you want, or you can rejoin them as well if you need to lengthen it up. There is a lot of applications for these, whether it be on your caravan, or your boat, on your cars, inside drawer systems, or the back of canopies and things like that as well. And it can be connected to Hard Korr's separately available dimmer switch too, which is really handy. You can get these lights at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you found this video helpful, give us a like. If you've got any questions or comments, chuck them below. You can head here to subscribe, or here for more helpful videos. Catch you later, Snowy's fam.